In this video, I will show you step by step how you can delete search history on your Google Chrome just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, so just open your Google Chrome homepage like this, okay? And click over here on this 3 point, okay? Like this, and click on setting, like this. You will be directly in this page over here. So you should see over here, you and Google, privacy and security. Click on privacy and security like this, okay? And you should see clear browsing data, okay? Click on this option like this and make sure over here to select all time, okay? If you want to delete all your search history, okay? All time. Then click over here on clear data, okay? And here you go. That's how you can delete search history on your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.